Let's learn the ABCs. Won't you say them with me? A is for airplane. B is for bat. C is for cheetah. D is for deer. E is for eagle. F is for fish. G is for giraffe. H is for horse. I is for iguana. J is for jelly. K is for kangaroo. L is for lemur. M is for moose. N is for newt. O is for otter. P is for panda. Q is for quarter. R is for robot. S is for seal. T is for tiger. U is for Uno. V is for van. W is for whale. X is for X-ray. Y is for yawn. Z is for zebra. Great job! We hope you learned something new. Please join us in our next video.